Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. We have day number 16 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas, which is an advent calendar that Missouri Star puts out every year for the last couple of years now. We do have days 1 through 15 on our YouTube. If you haven't seen those, go ahead and check those out. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to continue seeing content just like this. Let's go ahead and dive into day number 16. Okay, we have day number 16. It's like really light. Doesn't feel like there's much in here. Let's see. Huh. Feels like oilcloth. Let me see. This right here, like a pool fabric or oilcloth, that's what it feels like to me. And it's kind of like a fun, would this be gingham? Kind of like a picnic table type material. Okay, so this is, oh fun, okay. And then it also comes with some elastic here as well. This looks like, I don't even know, maybe, it's definitely not 1/2 inch, maybe a 1/4 inch elastic. And then it says reusable bowl huggers. How fun is that? So the project supplies include a 13.5 by 27 inch rectangle of splash laminated cotton fabric. All right, and 1.5 yards of 1/4 inch elastic, okay? And then we'll need scissors, matching thread, a pencil, and a tape measure. Materials will yield 2 bowls that cover up to 10 inches in diameter. That is so fun, oh my goodness. I love that so much. So I probably shouldn't show you the directions, but how cool is that? I'll just show you the front again. That's really nice. Well, that's exciting. Okay, it's a small little project. And maybe we'll get some of those other items like a measuring tape in another bag or box. We'll see. Jenny seems to kind of do that. She seems to give us all of the items that we need to make some of these projects. Our question for today is, what is your favorite quilt that you've ever made? What is the pattern? What fabrics did you use for that pattern? I mean, you can tell me what size it is if you want. I'm really excited to know. So I have my favorite quilt right here. I'll go ahead and show this to you. This is the first quilt that I ever made. This was actually for my daughter. All right. And I love it so much because the fabrics that I chose, I want to say that they were Robert Kaufman fabrics, or maybe they were, no, they were Michael Miller fabrics, I think. Anyway, I replicated the Little Mermaid in these Michael Miller fabrics with this little applique design. And then I went ahead and outlined it in a black embroidery thread, but how freaking cute is that with a little narwhal and the little seahorse? And then just to kind of show you what I'm talking about, you can see the little mermaids that are in the fabric. So this is my favorite quilt just because it's my first and I worked really hard on it. It is a sampler quilt, so I was learning. I took a course in Somerville, actually, at People's Places and Quilts, if you've ever heard of it or been there yourself. Yeah, so this has to be my favorite. Let me know down below what your favorite is, and then let me know how you liked this bag that we just unbagged. And I will see you tomorrow for day number 17. Bye everybody, have a great day.